On April 29, 2026, West Bengal concluded its assembly elections. Millions voted, but thousands living on the city's pavements were silently disenfranchised. At the heart of the issue is the Election Commission of India's Special Intensive Revision Process, or SIR, apparently meant to update voter rolls. Over 9 million names were deleted from West Bengal's electoral rolls during this exercise. Most pavement dwellers, however, were reportedly not even made part of the electoral process. Before we get into the details, take a look at our May 2026 magazine issue highlighting poverty in India. If you want in-depth coverage of this issue, please subscribe to our magazine Down to Earth. Also remember to follow us on YouTube for more video stories. Around 2.7 million of the 9 million deleted voters of West Bengal were initially mapped but were later removed for logical discrepancy. These people will now be part of a judicial process to get back their voting rights, a process that may take years. However, the homeless did not fall in either the unmapped or mapped categories of the SIR. Researcher Sabir Ahmed from the Sabre Institute, which closely tracked the SIR process, put it plainly. There has been no specific effort to include pavement dwellers in the voting roll, which is unfortunate. According to the 2011 Census of India, West Bengal has over 1.34 lakh homeless people. More than half are in Kolkata and the rest in North 24 Parganas, Howrah and South 24 Parganas districts. Independent studies suggest that the real number could be significantly higher. Many of them have Aadhaar cards, PAN cards, sometimes even voter IDs. The majority of this group, however, did not get an SIR-related call. Multiple ECI officials speaking anonymously confirmed they received no directive to include pavement dwellers in the SIR process. And yet, the law is unambiguous. As senior lawyer Kalol Bose explains, no documentary proof of residence is mandatory for homeless applicants. The BLO must conduct field verification, visiting the pavement, the flyover, the night shelter to confirm the person resides there. Once verified, they can be enrolled. The Election Commission's own manual explicitly covers homeless and pavement dwellers. Former Union Law Minister D.V. Sadananda Gowda had stated in Parliament in 2015 that homelessness is no disqualification for voter enrollment. Former West Bengal Chief Election Commissioner Debashish Sen even introduced a system linking pavement dwellers' enrollment to their nearest lamppost. The framework exists, it simply wasn't used. Thousands may have been silently disenfranchised, not by law, but by neglect. And for them, the next chance to be counted may still be years away. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please comment below.